Hey, welcome to the Wild Bird Expo. I'm standing here in the Brome booth. Brome won't be able to attend today, but we still have their feeders on display, and we have a 3% discount for all orders. Brome, to me, is one of the best squirrel-proof feeders that you can find, and here's why. It's an all-metal construction. You've got your ports on the inside, but when a squirrel comes and puts his weight on it, you can see that it pulls everything down and blocks off all the ports. It's a simple mechanism, but it's easy, and these come with lifetime warranties. So our Brome special is 3% for any order. You can take it now when we get the inventory in, or you can take it in the spring. This is it from the Brome booth. Talk to you more.